Why, Adam?
System.
Yes, Adam. Please say, let's continue our lesson. Today is Monday. Can you say that? Oh, yes. Okay, don't be silly. Come on, let's learn, Adam. Teacher is here. Let's learn today. Alright. Where is Adam? Where is Adam? 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 Where are you? Adam? Why are you so distracted? Adam, is that you? Let's learn our lesson today. Let's continue. Adam, don't be so playful. Let's learn. Adam? Oh, hello, Adam. Yes, Adam. Okay, so let's learn here. Let's play games. Okay, so look. Okay, look at the pattern. Look at the rail car. So can you drag? Okay, Adam, can you drag and read the pattern? Can you drag? Don't be so angry. Okay, you drag the correct picture to the empty rail car. Okay, and then read the pattern. Go, Adam. Come on. Yes, answer it. I know you can do it. Come on. You drag. Okay, very good. Okay, then you have to say it. What's the pattern? They. No, it's not yet goodbye, Adam. Okay, so you have to say they, today.
No. This is mine. This is mine.
Adam. Okay, you say they.
One.
Come on, say it. Day today. Day today. Day today. Come on, Adam.
Two. One and that.
No, you have to read the word. Day today. Day.
He is and my and teacher and teacher and teacher.
Yes, I am a teacher. I'm teacher Lorna. Yes, Adam. What happened?
Mama.
Okay, so since you've got the correct answer, I will not force you to say the pattern. Okay, so I'll just say it. Day, today, day, today, day, today. Okay, remember. Alright, so the rail car will leave now.
Bye-bye,
No, it's not yet goodbye. Let's have another game here. Okay, look.
Bye-bye, Tim.
Okay, look at the picture. Drag the correct picture to the empty rail car. What's the correct picture here? Okay, you drag. Go. Alright, very good. Very good, Adam. Okay, you say the pattern. Listen, Adam, listen. You say the pattern. Today, day.
Bye-bye, Tim.
No, it's not yet goodbye. It's not yet time. Okay, you have to say today, day, today, day, today, day. Adam. Hello, Adam. Adam. Can you say the pattern? Say the pattern.
Okay.
Today, day.
Oh!
What happened? Adam, what happened there? Nothing. Okay, so let's continue to our lesson. You have to say today, day, today, day, today, day. Adam, why aren't you speaking with teacher? Let's learn today. Okay? Adam, I know you are a good boy. You're not angry anymore. I know you love
Bye.
learning. It's not
Bye,
goodbye. No, I won't say goodbye to Adam. I want to learn a new lesson with Adam today. Okay, so since you've answered the activity, okay, so I'll just have to click the go on the rail car. We'll go now. Okay, so let's have another activity here. Okay, so
Bye.
no, it's not yet goodbye. You have to say the words as fast as you can. Adam, look at the picture. You have to say the word as fast as you can, okay? So let's start, okay? What word is this? This is night.
One.
Night.
Light.
Very good. How about this one? Afternoon. Afternoon. Very good. Alright, good job, Adam. For that, do you like ice cream? I will give Adam ice cream. Because,
What's this?
yes, this is ice cream. Yum. Alright, very good. Alright, so I will give you ice cream if you do good. Alright, so let's have another. Let's have here. Come on. Okay, so we learned. What have you learned today? You have learned day. You say day. Say day. Come on, Adam. Very good. Okay, be good in answering. No, it's not yet goodbye. Okay, you have to do good job so that teacher will give you rewards,
Bye-bye.
more rewards. Okay, how about this one? You have to say today. 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 Oh, don't do that. Oh, that's electricity. Oh my God. Be careful. Okay, say today. Hello, Adam. You have to say today. Come on, today. Say it. Say. Very good. Okay, how about the sentence here? We have questions. What day is it today? Okay, can you do it?
Bye-bye.
No, it's not goodbye. You have to say, what day is it today? Say, what day is it today? Come on, Adam. Teacher will give you a reward. You have to say the sentence. You have to say the question. What day is it today?
And teacher.
Okay, you have to say, what day is it today? How about this one? Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Come on. Teacher will give you a reward. Okay, today is Tuesday. Okay, so let's have here. There is...
Bye. Bye.
Okay, look and say, what is your favorite
Bye-bye.
day of the week? Adam, what is your favorite day of the week? Is it Monday?
Bye-bye.
No, it's not goodbye. It's not yet goodbye. Come on, answer it. So teacher will give you a reward, a yummy reward. Okay, so what is your favorite day of the week? Do you love Monday? Yes. Don't do that, Adam. I'm afraid you might get hurt. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that, Adam. Enough. Don't do that. I'm afraid. Don't do that with the wirings. Okay? Okay, Adam. What is your favorite day of the week?
And bye.
Do you like Monday? Yes. 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 Do you like Monday, Adam? Very good. So you love Monday. So Monday is your favorite day of the week. Alright.
Bye.
Why do you love to say goodbye to teacher? Teacher will give you a donut today. Look, Adam, here is the donut. Adam, here is your donut, your reward. Where is Adam? This is your reward. You don't like donut? And this one is for Adam too. Okay. Okay, I will give you more rewards if you do good. Wow. How about, do you like, okay, do you like candies? Candies for Adam. Very good. Okay, so there. So if you do good at school and you listen to teacher and answer to teacher's question, you will have more and lots of rewards, Adam. Okay, so I'm gonna say bye-bye, Adam. Thank you for having time with teacher Lorna. Thank you so much. I hope to see you again. Yes, Adam. Why?
What's this?
What?
What's this?
What is that?
What is this?
That's the day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.